have found a free crypto mining site, a crypto cloud mining site that I'm going to review for you and show you how you can get involved, guys. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, I do this for education purposes only. So let's get straight in. So guys, it's over at crypthub.pro. Now, what is mining as a start, okay? I'm gonna talk about exactly what CryptHub does, but mining in general, is things like Bitcoin, Ethereum, how they actually generate their coins. Not only that, but it's how they verify each transaction as well. It involves a vast network of computers all around the world to do a simultaneous job, figuring out different puzzles and complications to mine these coins. And once you do, you are rewarded with the crypto itself. Okay, very powerful computers are doing it right now. And that's how you mine, guys. And there's places like CryptHub that are cloud mining services where you can rent powerful mining equipment and connect it to the mining pools worldwide. They actually offer a wide selection of mining tools to choose from, all right? So guys, if you think this isn't a big thing, it absolutely is. There's over 144,000 active users, over 1.2 thousand max investment, over 82,800 invested, over 0.7 thousand max payout, 18 days online, and 26.7 thousand paid out. So what is the platform? The team has been working tirelessly to develop top-of-the-line mining equipment, taking into account all necessary nuances to ensure significant progress and success in the field of cryptocurrency mining. Now, there's different levels to this. So level 1 is 100 to 499 GHSs, all right, all the way up to level 6, which is 5,000, that's 6%. The power price is calculated as follows. $3.5 is 100 GH per second. Now you can work it out on the profit calculator. So if you want to choose Litecoin, Dogecoin, Zcash, anything you want, Litecoin's the best, that in my opinion, for fees. And let's just pick a random number, okay? Mining days for 59 days. And your calculator will come up with a figure. Guys, that's what it'll do. It'll show you the LTC and the daily profit, okay, guys? You just got to put a figure in that is under the mark. So let's put 4,500, and there you go. The profit amount is 159 LTC with a 6% daily profit. Now you can have bonuses for your referrals. So if you do bring friends in, you can get bonuses. You can receive 10% of your balance from friends deposit, and level 2, you're going to get 5% from your friend's referral. Guys, it's insane how many platforms do not cut you in with the mining fees. This platform is here to allow you to get involved with mining right now. And you can see by the dashboard, you don't need to be a coder. You don't need to be a powerful computer. You just need to get involved at the right time with the right project. And that's what you've got right here. There you go, guys. Do me a huge favor. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and the bell if you want to be notified. And I'll see you on the next video.